We start with that breaking news out of Lansing tonight that could impact sentence for convicted molester Larry Nassar. 24-hour News 817 in studio control tonight, breaking down what these new developments mean. Evan?
Yeah, Brian, it means that the State Court of Appeals is going to take a close look at how much time Larry Nassar is serving, whether a different judge should resentence him, and whether Judge Rosemary Aquilina acted professionally and appropriately when she railed against Nassar and his crimes against hundreds of gymnasts. Specifically, the Court of Appeals will look at the sentence that Nassar got in Ingham County, where he was sentenced to 40 to 175 years in prison. The appeals court will consider whether Aquilina should have been allowed to decide on Nassar's request to be resentenced and whether the judge showed bias or created even an appearance of bias. If they find one of those things are in violation, Nassar could be resentenced in front of a different judge. Judge Aquilina gained national fame for taking a tough stance against Nassar, not pulling punches when it came to telling him what she thought of his actions. She even appeared on the Today Show recently to talk about it.
I considered his letter and his demeanor in sentencing, and I also think that if he would have shown some remorse, we wouldn't have had the escalation of awful feelings in the courtroom, which you could feel. When I lashed out at him, it completely dissipated. And he has no idea what he did. He still thinks he's a good doctor, that it was medical. It's not medical, sir.
Judge Aquilina has not offered a comment about the appeals court review and said in the past she would not speak about it until the process was carried out. However, she has said publicly that Nassar agreed to the trial format and now has tried to, quote, recalibrate that agreement 3 times. In studio control, Evan Dean, 24-hour News 8.